G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. This thing I got a while ago, but I forgot about it. But this is most likely the most beautiful Rough Ryder I have. Cinnamon Bone Stag Rough Ryder. Look at the box. This thing is lovely. Okay, Cinnamon Bone Stag. It says all of the normal Rough Ryder things. This series featured genuine cinnamon bone stag handles with high polished Damascus. Can you believe that? Okay, and then the number on this thing is 2155. This is really a lovely knife. Now, let's get into it. Oh, there's our little cutout. Okay, so we have this beautiful foam cutout as always. Nice magnetic box. It makes me happy. So look at this wonderful thing. We have the acorn over there. Do you see the acorn? Sorry, the lights is not working. It's getting dark outside. We're gonna have a storm. I love the cinnamon bone of theirs. Actually, all of their stag bone looks really awesome. It's normal bone. Do you see the little lines in there? That's been milled out to look like stag, but they do such a beautiful job with this. And then the burning, and you can still see the bone on the sides. It's wonderful. We do have an R in this one, but I have no problem with that. Ringed bolster on that side. We have pinches on both sides. It looks fantastic. Then we have, because it's a trapper, I don't know if I said that, we have our match strike pull and the long pull. And let me see if I can show you the Damascus on this thing. Can you see it? Hopefully, kind of. It's this beautiful, beautiful Damascus steel blade. And that is fantastic. Beautiful clip, a long clip with a nice swedge. And then, of course, because it's a trapper, we have the spay blade also. Beautiful and beautiful Damascus on this guy. Same thing, long pull, match strike pull. But look at this thing. This is a marvelous knife. And I love these acorns on these guys. I suppose that's because it's the cinnamon stag bone series. Fantastic. If you like trappers, actually, you don't even have to like Rough Ryder. Just like trappers. And this thing is marvelous. Okay, both of them are lying in their little channels very nicely. This one is towards this side, but it's not scratching, so that makes me happy. Back spring on this thing. Beautiful. We have slight gapping over there, but again, it's very even. It's not a problem. The bone has been done so nicely. Do we feel these things? Yes, that one a bit, but inherently it is a problem because they mold these out, so the pins do get, you can't really get them flat like these ones. Beautiful, beautiful. I really, really like this thing. So, the Rough Ryder Cinnamon Bone Stag. Awesome, awesome knife. Okay. Okay, I love my hawk balls the most, but I'm gonna put this thing maybe just under my dog bone jack, because I love this thing. It is marvelous, and it's my only Rough Ryder in Damascus. So if you're into that or not, doesn't really matter, because this thing is not one of those shiny Damascus blades. It's very understated and very awesome. Okay, and remember Damascus, if I take, for example, a piece of 2000 grit sandpaper and I sand this thing, you're not even going to see it's Damascus until I start using it, and it starts pretty much etching itself because of the acids in food, and then it will show you it's Damascus again. Anyway, wonderful knife. Love this thing. The scales on this thing is just fantastic. Tomorrow we are going to be looking at an Elmar knife. I cannot remember if I have ever showed you an Elmar. I did have one of those 4-inch Falcon, Eagle, Peregrine, Goshawk, I don't know. One of those long 4-inch bladed, thin little things. Flipper only. And I liked it. It was fine. But this thing is way cooler. So, all of you enjoy your Friday. Tomorrow there's a lot of nice rugby on. Oh, I didn't even tell you that. The pull on this thing, not very hard, maybe a 5 for both, but still fantastic. I really like the little acorn. Look at it. Okay, so all of you stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.
Time. And use aftertouch to steer your car into the path of on